Model, 66-plate Peugeot Expert Pro Std BlueHDi 120S and S6 SP Man 1400 kg Euro 6 bargain body, white, panel van mileage, 118,113 MOT. The 12th of October 2024 engine, 1997 CCDW10 FE transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The water pump is leaking coolant, still starts and drives as it should. It will need the water pump replacing and do the cam belt at the same time. The engine clutch and gearbox are perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £6,475 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.